Everyone, welcome back. This video is in continuation with the fourth question 1, that is the fourth question first problem. Then we have a second problem, that is the line of the centers is parallel to the floor and is inclined at 30 degrees to the wall. Okay, make sure that this question is very important because here the center is actually making an angle of 30 degree with the wall. Okay, so here the lines are very important. If you don't consider the lines, it will be very tough to solve this problem. So first we will start like this. Click on start diagram. Make sure that this is in the 3D modeling. It is already in 3D modeling. So first you set the units. So make sure that it is at 0, and then the millimeters. Click the lighting as an international stuff. So I would prefer to do this question in a typical view. Okay, first thing is I'll try to make this in the top view, because in the top view only I can visualize the angle, because the line is making an angle of 30 with the wall. For this, first you draw a vertical line considering this as wall. Ensure that the ortho mode is on. For this I will just make the ortho mode on. Then draw a vertical line which is some indefinite length. Then you draw a line at any point of this. I'm choosing its center. Okay, draw it. Make sure the ortho mode is off here, or if the ortho mode is on also, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so make a line of 30 mm with an angle of 30 degree with the thing. Okay, 30 degree with the thing. Okay, ensure the angle whatever you are making is 30 degree. Before that you just give an annotation, that is with respect to this line, what is the angle. Okay, it is 60 here. Make sure it is not making 60, it should make a angle of 30. Okay, here the line has made an angle of 30. Okay, make sure if that doesn't work, you can use a rotate option. Okay, rotate option. I've just used a rotate option, and then select this object and then select one end point. Okay, this should make 30 degrees with the reference line. Okay, now it has made a 30 degree with the reference line. You can just have a look. This is the 30 degree angle. Okay, this should exist, if not your question goes wrong. Okay, so you take any reference, because these two lines are parallel, so it would make an angle with 30 with the wall as well. So you can delete this reference line and the angle part. Then you can start making the sphere. So for that you just select sphere. Okay, select one end point, then make a radius of 15 so that the diameter is 30. Give an enter. Select the other end point and make a 15 mm as a radius. So when you look it in the shades of gray, you would actually visualize this. So in the top view it would look something like this, even in the front view it would look something like this, and in the isometric it would look something like this. So you have to plot this onto a layout. Before that we have to use view standard, then make sure that it is making a first angle, because we prefer first angle. Then after that, view base model from space, then select both the objects, give an enter. Then Q4 to second question. Set up the layout, and if you want you can just set up if you are planning to print it or something. Then select the first thing, which is the front view, top view, left side view, because we are projecting it on the right side. Give an enter. Okay, so here you have to annotate few things. So select annotation. In the only the top view you can annotate most of the things. For annotation of the angle specifically, okay, so you select a vertical line passing through any one of the center. Make sure the center is visible, and you first draw a line that is joining both the centers. Then for this you have to make ortho off. Select the line. Okay, select the line and then start with the first thing, then the second one. Okay, with reference to this you have to make a vertical line. Okay, make a vertical line, just a simple vertical line, and you can extend it, stretch it. Then here you have to make an angle, which is the angular annotation. Select the first line, the second line. It has to make 30 by default. If this thing doesn't occur, your question goes wrong. Then after this you have to measure the radius or the diameter, any one you can choose of both the spheres. the very first one and the second one. Okay, then you can use the multi-leader to tell what is the view. This is here basically the front view. So dear students, you have to make this for every figure. Okay, ensure that you make it for every figure because it is very essential when you are making the figures. This is your top view, then followed by, so you can use, once you finish up the thing, and you can use an enter so that the same command will continue for the thing. Okay, this is the left side. Okay, make sure the leader is located somewhere. Okay, you can just move this thing somewhere here also, no issues. And this is your isometric view. Okay, make sure you can just select the particular thing and you can just move it. Okay, so that's all for this question. Okay, these annotations by default you have to do, else all the question that is given will go wrong. Okay, thank you for watching and keep subscribed because all the updates will be readily available to you onto your mail only if you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell icon in order to get an immediate notification on your mail or on your YouTube app. Thank you. Thanks for watching.